What I wish I knew at school? That a bright and inviting classroom does more than just look good. It actually helps everyone learn better. Here's why. Imagine walking into a classroom that feels alive. Walls dancing with color, sunlight pouring in, and every desk inviting you to get started. This isn't an accident. Studies show that a well-designed, vibrant environment makes a huge difference in how we learn and teach. Bright spaces don't just boost moods, they boost brains. Students feel safer, more focused, and eager to participate. Teachers love it too, because an energized room helps everyone stay engaged. Think about it. A splash of color can wake up the imagination. Open spaces encourage group work and big ideas. Even plants and artwork can calm nerves and inspire creativity. And it's not just about looks. When classrooms are thoughtfully set up, with flexible seating, cozy reading nooks, and plenty of natural light, students perform better and feel more connected. It's simple. When you change the space, you change the experience. Great teachers and curious students thrive where they feel comfortable, welcome, and inspired. So, next time you walk into a classroom, notice the colors, the lighting, and those small touches that make it special. Because every detail helps shape a love of learning that lasts a lifetime. Ready to reimagine what a classroom can do? Let's make every learning space a place where everyone shines.